you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I've got another food pantry haul for you today. Now, we're also going to talk holiday recipes, because can you make a Thanksgiving's dinner completely from the food pantry? Yes, you can. And I'm going to show you how. All right, follow me. I'm going to show you what I got, and we'll talk recipes. We're going to start from the left to the right. Yes, I was doing dishes. Okay. We've got some collard greens. Ooh, yes. I love these in a can because I can just do these up for a quick collard green meal. But I still put my meat in there. I cook it for at least an hour beforehand, and then I add my greens to it and some more spices. Yeah, yeah. We've got some red salmon. Yes. Now, for holidays, did you know that there's a dish with a creamy sauce and red salmon in it? Yes, you just flake it up in there, or you bake it in a pastry. That is wonderful, especially for New Year's. Oh, yes. We got some mixed green beans for a green bean casserole. We've got some mixed vegetables. We've got, of course, some diced tomatoes, no salt added. I love that. And we've got some low sodium spaghetti sauce. So you can have some spaghetti at your Christmas or Thanksgiving's dinner. And yes, I'm going to say it, spaghetti and chitlins, yes. But have you seen the price of chitlins? Oh my God. Anyway, we got some black beans, 2 cans. I can make some wonderful black bean soup or just a side. Then, look, check this out. Cream of mushroom soup, healthy request. And we've got some chicken noodle soup. Now with this cream of mushroom, I can do a casserole. I can do green bean casserole. I could do a chicken casserole. I can add this to my dressing or stuffing. Now the chicken noodle soup, definitely use that broth. And you know what? If you mince up the noodles into the dressing, it adds to it and no one will ever know. That's right. Check this out. 4 cans. I'm so excited about this of the pumpkin puree. Now, get back up there. Now, you could either make a pumpkin pie or I can make my pumpkin soup. Oh, I am in love with that pumpkin soup, guys. Look at my video. I'll put the link down there. On how to make that pumpkin soup for the holidays. It is delicious. Then we've got 2 cans of pears. You know, the ones that didn't want to stay up and just jump all over the place. In natural juice. I like them better in natural juice because I can do more things with them. Okay? Put this here. Then I've got some unsweetened applesauce. I just wanted to get that in focus. You know, you can bake with this. If you don't have eggs, I believe you can replace them with the applesauce. I'm pretty sure. Make sure I'm right, nieces and nephews. Look that up for me, okay? Now we're going to jump over here. Oh, you may not know it or thinking about me, but I am a salad lover. I am nuts over salad. They gave me a whole thing of salad. Now, if it would last till Thanksgiving's, it might. But what I would like to do with this is make a 7-layer salad. It would be delicious. But it won't last till Thanksgiving's because I'm going to have some. Okay. We've got some potatoes and onions. Let's see. I got 4 potatoes, 6 onions. You could make scalloped potatoes with this. And you could use the soup down there for the sauce in them. So there you go. Then we've got some Rice Krispies. We've got 2 bags. You could do Rice Krispie. I'm going to show you how to do it too. Rice Krispie treats for dessert. You could also shape them as snowmen or Christmas trees. And I'm going to do that in my next video. I'm going to show you how to do that for Christmas. So that would be a delightful dessert for the kids and the adults too. We've got some mac and cheese. Now, I make my own cheese sauce. I just use the noodles. Then we've got some rice. You can make some rice dressing with this. Yes, you can. Then we've got some cinnamon oatmeal. Did you know that you could make a dessert with this or some cookies? And they've already got the seasoning in them because it's apple cinnamon oatmeal. That would be so good. Then we've got some pumpkin spice extract. I got some tortillas you could make anything you want with this. You know, you can chop these into triangles, fry them, and you've got your tortilla strips. Now, milk tea, delicious, wonderful drink. You can serve this chilled, which I think is best, as a little, preemption to the dinner. I think that would be great. We've also got some milk for the kids to sip on. Then we got some eggs. We've got some mild cheddar cheese. Now check it out. So you got your cheese, right? You got some milk right there. You got your macaroni. You got a macaroni dish done right there. And you got your eggs. How about that? Then we've got some walnuts. Cookies. Or you can candy them. Yes, you can. Then look at this, y'all. A giant thing of piccalilli. I mean, this is enough to last me all year. And that's exactly what it's going to do because I'm going to have a hot dog party for Javen and his friends. Then I've got some grape juice. Now, did you know that you can put some spices with this and make it like a holiday treat? Or you could freeze it and then blend it up and make it slushy-like for the kids with a little 7-Up. Oh, yes. Now, we've got some chicken, a bag of chicken. We have chicken leg quarters. They're for frying, or you could bake these in the oven with stuffing, and that could be your main meal, your dish at Thanksgivings. Yes, it could, if you don't have a turkey, okay? Then we've got some fruit. We've got some oranges. We've got some apples, and we've got some mangoes. Now, we could take this juice and make something with the apples, like a pie or something, or the mangoes, or just chop it all up and make a fruit medley pie. You see what I'm saying? Yes, yes, yes. Then we have a humming refrigerator. We have, and I'm so excited about this too, less sodium chili. I'm going to have a chili dog, y'all. Oh, yes. The white premium chicken, this is cool. This can go in casseroles. So let's say you want to do a casserole for Thanksgivings. This is perfect. You already got your soup down there. And you got your green beans, right? So let's take it up a notch. Let's make a green bean casserole with chicken in it. It's still a holiday thing, and it tastes great. And guess what? This has hardly any fat in it, so it's a thing that you don't have to worry about eating and gaining weight over the holidays. How about that? Ooh, I got some loin pork chops. Now, it would be cool to bake these in the oven and serve those with stuffing too. You could just put, let's say, a little seasoning, some onion, some garlic, and then take you some chicken stock or that chicken soup we got down there, put that in there, noodles and all, with some water, bake it, then make a sauce out of that like a gravy, pour over top, and surround it with stuffing. Oh, yep. Then I got a miscellaneous item. These laundry detergent sheets. Now, I'm going to try them. It says it does up to 60 loads. So, I've never tried this before. For top-loading washers, place sheet inside washing on top of the clothes. Okay. All right. And that's what I have. I have a top loader. All right. Let's take a look at everything we got here. Now, I hope I gave you some ideas on how you can do an entire Thanksgiving meal with the food pantry. Now, if you don't have a turkey, once again, you know that ground turkey you get from the pantry? You could do a turkey loaf. So I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to do a video on it. Spread your turkey out, stuff it with all the things you like, maybe some spinach, maybe some onions, cheese, whatever. Roll it up, seal the ends, bake it. Put stuffing beside it, add gravy over top, and slice it. Oh, and it's a showstopper because it looks like a pinwheel. Yeah. Now, go to your local food pantry. Don't be afraid, okay? And I'm going to have a wonderful update about the Uncle Chris house. And I thank everybody who helped us out. Thank you. Joe, you were the first one to contribute. Thank you, my friend. Now, all of you out there, like, comment, subscribe. I also want you to write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Don't be afraid to write to me. I will answer your letters and whatever and emails and all of that, you know? Okay? Even if you just want to chit chat, I'm here. If you need food, I will show you where to go get food. Oh, by the way, hold on. In case you are in the Indiana or South Suburb area, there is a food pantry at 14200 Dr. Martin Luther King Drive. I believe that's Dalton, Illinois. And they have a food pantry every Tuesday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Wednesday, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Thursday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay? So, all you need is a form of identification and a proof of your current address, but I'm pretty sure they'll probably serve just about anybody. I do know they serve the southern area, so if you're there, go to that one. There's also another one on the north side that I go to all the time. I'm going to get that information to you too, because I got to get their times down. I don't know. All right, guys. Let me know what I can do for you, and I'm so glad what you all helped me out with, okay? Big love from Uncle Chris. Check out the next video. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?